Do you have fake friends or do you have real friends? Here's how to spot the difference and why it matters. So first of all, hey, I'm Vincent and I want to help you improve your social skills and win friends. So where's the problem with fake friends? You hear this term a lot, but what does that even mean? And what does it mean to be a real friend? So I believe that fake friends talk shit about you behind your back. That's just straight to point how it is. If you have like this slight feeling that your friends don't respect you, that they talk shit about you without you knowing that, that's trash. And you shouldn't trust those people. You shouldn't hang around those fake people if they talk shit about you without you knowing that. On the other hand, of course, real friends, they might talk shit on you, but of course only if you're there with them. And they do it not to feel better, but to make you like be better. If some friend calls me out for my stupid behavior because I did something crazy stupid, they want to see me doing good, and that's why they're calling me out. Fake friends, on the other hand, they watch from far as I do something stupid, and then later on, when I'm gone, they talk shit about me and they spread the word with others. That's the biggest difference. So, how can you spot those people? Well, because you don't actually see them talking behind your back, it's just a feeling that you have. Go up to them and ask them. It is that direct. It's not simple, but very direct. Go up to ask them and tell them, do you guys respect me? Do you respect the stuff that I'm doing? And it sounds, once again, so brain dead. Okay, well, what should they say? Either they could say, bro, I totally respect you, or bro, I respect the stuff that you're doing. If they are honest, they might still have things that they can criticize about you. Well, I didn't like the one thing you did there, and I think you could do this one thing better. But of course, if you keep trying, bro, I respect that. If on the other hand, these guys either just straight up say, no, bro, I don't respect you, what are you doing? Or they tell you, yeah, bro, all good, I respect totally what you're doing. And you can just see that if they don't mean it, then you have fake friends. Fake friends don't want to see you do good. They want to use you, they want to latch off of you so they can just make fun of you. And that's awful, bro. That's trash. And I know that a lot of people, maybe even some watching, still hang around fake people who just are there for the laughs, who are just there to make fun of you. That's trash. You want to have real connections because only then you will get real criticism. Those fake friends never will go up to you and tell you, bro, what are you doing? What are you doing? That's not good for you. Real friends on the other, fake friends on the other hand, won't say anything. They will see you just do your stuff, and then later on they will criticize you for it. It sucks because first of all, I was in a friendship that was kind of fake. There was a lot of gossip, a lot of talking behind people's back. We were in a Discord call and we always split up and then we talked shit about the other call. What? That's unimaginable. I can't comprehend that. I couldn't live in that situation anymore. With these videos, I'm trying to create a community of people who are real and not fake, who can criticize each other for their mistakes. And by the way, if you want to criticize me, put it in the comments. Why not? I'm trying to improve. So if you are doing something horribly wrong, you should have someone to tell you that. You should have someone that can criticize you, not because then they feel better, no, because they want to see you doing good. That's the power of real friends. If you want to be part of this community, if you want to have people calling you out for your shit and actually praising you for the good stuff, you can join my free Skool community. It's absolutely free to join. It's the top link in the description. So you can create yourself an account and get in today. why not? Sure, bro, I want to see you in there. If you're watching this video like till this point, bro, you would be kind of perfect. So yeah, click the top link, highly appreciated. With this video, even though I made up the premise like, okay, how to spot real friends or fake friends, that's important. If you spot fake friends, you should distance yourself from them. If you find real friends, you should get a better connection with those. But the main point of this video is the other one. You yourself don't want to be that fake friend. You don't want to be on the other end talking shit behind other people's back. You want to be, or you want to become, the real friend. You will want to support each other in your relationships. I don't want you to be the fake friend for someone. I don't want you to lie and then talk shit about others behind their backs. I want us as a community. I want us to be honest. That's a very high virtue of mine. Being honest. And if I'm honest, I want you to click on another YouTube video of mine. So do that right now. And thank you so much for the support. See ya.